Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore the Magento 2 multi-vendor order export extension, which allows sellers to export order details in CSV or PDF format. It's fast, simple, and completely reliable for managing your orders.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. First, we have successfully logged into the admin panel. Now we will move to the store configuration settings. Here, we need to select the order export option. To enable the module, select Yes and click on the Save Configuration button. Next, we will move to the front end. On the customer page, to place an order, go to the product page, add the product to the cart, proceed to checkout, select the shipping address, choose the shipping method, then continue to the next step. Select the payment method and click on the Place Order button. Now we have successfully placed the order. On the seller dashboard, go to My Order History, where we can see the order is listed. From here, the seller can export the order as a PDF. Click on the Export PDF option, fill in the date range, and click on the Export button. Save the PDF file. In the PDF, the placed order will be listed. Similarly, the seller can also export the order in CSV format. Select the order date range and click on the Export button. Save the CSV file. In the CSV file, all the orders will be visible.
And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.